I'm showing you how to make a brownie oatmeal mug cake. The other day I made a lemon mug cake and that tasted pretty good. If you want to see that video, go ahead and click the link in the description. And I also made a chocolate chip oatmeal peanut butter mug cake, and that one was delicious. So definitely check out that video if you want to make the peanut butter oatmeal chocolate chip mug cake. Today I'm going to do the brownie oatmeal mug cake, and I basically start off with the same ingredients as the peanut butter chocolate chip mug cake. I'm using 1.5 tablespoons of peanut butter that's been melted in the microwave for about 15 seconds, so it's easier to stir. And then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and I'm going to add that to the melted peanut butter and stir that together. And now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of milk. And I'll mix all the liquids together. Now I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of oats, and what I did was I took the oats and I put it in the food processor and I just ground it up, but you can also use already packaged oat flour. So I'll take 3 tablespoons of the oats, and after the 3 tablespoons of oats, I'm going to go ahead and add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and then I will add 3/4 tablespoon of. Next, I'll add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Okay, once everything's mixed together, we're going to pour it into the ramekin or the mug. The last time I made the mug cakes, I actually used the ramekin in the microwave, and that worked out fine. But I think for this one, I'm going to try using a mug this time. So I'm going to spray the mug with non-stick cooking spray, and then I'll go ahead and pour the ingredients into the mug. Okay, so I poured it into the mug, and then I topped it off with a few more chocolate chips. All right, I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, out of all the 3 mug cakes that I made, this one is the best one. This is just like a brownie. It's oatmeal, peanut butter, cocoa powder, chocolate chips. It's basically just like a warm brownie. Instead of baking it in the oven, it's 1 minute in the microwave, and it's just perfect for a dessert for 1 person. You have to make this one. So good. I need some vanilla ice cream.